Hi guys, it's Ruby. Today I want to show you our room at the Bellagio. So the first thing I want to show you is that they have these new stickers that they are cleaned for your safety. So I just want to point that out. Your room is sealed until you come in. We are room 17126. So I will show you guys inside and I'll talk more because it's really quiet in this hallway. So we have a resort tower king room. So it's a little bit bigger than a standard room. This room is about 626 square feet, I think they told us, which in comparison to the Delano that we stay at, where we normally get, we usually get a suite that's about 700 feet. And because of everything that happened and them not being open, they moved us over to the Bellagio. But we're actually really impressed with our room, so I'll show you guys. We have a huge full-length mirror here. So we have a huge full-length mirror here when you walk in. Okay, and then if you come into the room, the bathroom is there. I'll show you that soon. But it's a really, really large room, actually. I mean, I'm really surprised at the size. I think it's really nice. We did ask if we could get a complimentary upgrade just for giggles, but they didn't have anything available. But now seeing our room, I'm not mad at that because this is a really, really nice room. Like, we have this whole wet bar here. And again, they sealed the fridge, the mini bar, so that they know no one has gone in there. So they're trying to be very cleanly. Even with the remote, they have a button or a little sticker over the top because remotes are like notorious for being the dirtiest things ever. So that's really nice to see. They have kind of those docking stations that you see in a lot of hotel rooms. And then a safe is in the drawer here. We have a nice king size bed. It smells really, really nice in here, really clean. And then another little cleanliness tip that they sent you that they gave you is this little pouch that says Bellagio on it, and they actually supply you with Bellagio masks because starting tomorrow, actually, they're going to be requiring people to wear masks on property. So it's kind of nice that they gave everybody cloth ones along with some hand sanitizer and one of these little things that you're supposed to use when you touch stuff so you don't have to touch things like buttons. So that's kind of nice. So they're definitely like trying to promote cleanliness. This is a really nice desk for us to do a little work if we need to set that up. Two really beautiful armchairs and a nice big closet where we can hang up our dress clothes. Robes are still there for you. They're ready to go. And ironing board, that is in there as well. A luggage rack. So, and then just a bunch of drawer space. My favorite thing though, I think in this room is the view. We got a really, really cute view. I love it. The whole pool area is there and it looks fantastic. So I'm loving the view of the pool. We can't wait to get down there soon and go swimming. And I will show you guys the bathroom here, but so far I'm really happy with it. Oh, and then I want to show you our other side view is just of like the highway, and you can see the Rio. The Rio is really pretty at night, so that'll be kind of pretty. But we didn't get a fountain view, but I'm pretty happy with the pool view, so that's pretty great anyway. I also want to show you guys, there are buttons here for window lights, and then if you want to open and shut the drapes, you just push these buttons, so you don't actually have to do that. And the bathroom is also really excellent and luxury. So you have Jack and Jill sinks and some really fancy toiletries, which are really nice. There is a makeup mirror, I love that. Nice soaking tub. Ooh, there's like a little loofah. Ooh, fancy. And then again, you have this big window to look out at the highway while you're in the bathtub. I do love that there is the water closet in this room because that really does make it feel more like a suite. It's a little bit more private. And then the shower is here, and the shower is actually huge. So it's a really big, really nice size shower. And they have their body wash. So overall, we're really happy with the room. I'm really liking it. So I will let you know how comfortable it ends up being at the end of our stay. But so far, I mean, I think it's a really, really nice room. So again, we're at the Bellagio and this is a Resort Tower King room.